Can LG Smart TV connect to Hotspot? Yes, LG Smart TVs can connect to a mobile hotspot, allowing you to stream content without a traditional Wi-Fi network. This is useful if you do not have home internet or want to use mobile data for connectivity. However, performance depends on your mobile data speed, signal strength, and data limits. 1. Checking if your LG Smart TV supports Wi-Fi. Most LG Smart TVs with WebOS have built-in Wi-Fi, which allows them to connect to a mobile hotspot. To check, press the Settings button on your remote. Go to All Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi connection. If you see a list of available networks, your TV supports Wi-Fi and can connect to a hotspot. 2. Connecting LG Smart TV to a mobile hotspot. To connect your LG Smart TV to a mobile hotspot, follow these steps. Step 1. Turn on the mobile hotspot on your smartphone. For Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering, and enable Mobile Hotspot. For iPhone, go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot, and enable Allow Others to join. Step 2. On your LG Smart TV, press the Settings button on the remote. Step 3. Navigate to All Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi connection. Step 4. Select your hotspot network name SSID from the list. Step 5. Enter the hotspot password and select Connect. Step 6. Once connected, your TV will use the mobile data for internet access. 3. Optimizing hotspot performance for LG Smart TV. To get the best streaming experience, optimize your mobile hotspot connection. Ensure strong mobile signal. A weak cellular signal can cause buffering or disconnections. Use 4G or 5G. Faster mobile data speeds improve video quality. Enable 5 GHz hotspot if supported. If your phone and TV support dual-band Wi-Fi, use 5 GHz for better performance. Check mobile data limits. Streaming video consumes a lot of data, so monitor usage to avoid exceeding your data cap. Reduce background device usage. Turn off other devices connected to the hotspot to improve speed. 4. Troubleshooting hotspot connection issues. If your LG Smart TV cannot connect to the hotspot, try these solutions. Restart devices. Turn off your TV and phone, then turn them back on. Forget and reconnect. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Remove the hotspot and reconnect. Check hotspot settings. Ensure hotspot sharing is enabled and the password is correct. Update TV software. Go to Settings then, Support then Software Update and check for updates. Use a different device. If your phone's hotspot does not work, try using another mobile device as a hotspot. LG Smart TVs can connect to a mobile hotspot, making it easy to stream content without home Wi-Fi. For the best experience, use a strong mobile signal, 4G or 5G data, and a 5 GHz hotspot if available. If issues arise, troubleshooting steps like restarting devices and checking settings can help fix the connection.